Oh my
Isn't
God.
that something now? I believe
Look at this. What's that noise?
What?
What is that? What is this? Is there something? Is something above us or something?
You're recording.
Yeah, I'm recording it right now. Look at all them lights around on the camera here.
Yeah, I can't even
Look at this thing at the bottom right.
Hers is really good.
There's more shit up there than just this stuff. What is this down here? Oh.
Because that's a plane there above the moon. See the moon trail?
Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely a plane up there.
There's a triangle with stars there or whatever. And then right to the right. But the one to the left is actually... Here's the sun.
Look at this.
Oh.